You didn't see this one coming? Cold flan and cookie cake that you can prepare in just 10 minutes. Hello, sweet tooths, ready to have fun, of course. Well, today we're making a flan and cookie dessert that you can prepare in just 10 minutes and without using the oven. Pay attention to the details because you won't believe how easy it is to make. Start by spreading liquid caramel on the mold you're going to use. This is optional, especially if you're using a silicone mold like I am. But it gives it a nice touch. So if you can, take a little and spread it on the mold you're going to use. And now comes the good part. Take 500 ml of milk, which is 2.5 cups, along with a packet of flan or pudding mix. Add it in and start mixing. Do all of this over medium heat until it starts to boil. When you see the first bubbles, it's ready. Take it off the heat and let's dip some cookies in a bit more milk. So we're going to get this ready because here I have the mold with the caramel and we're placing cookies. Make sure they're dipped, but don't soak them too much or they'll fall apart in your hand. Just like that, only a little bit. We place them, and once you have a layer, you add a layer of the flan mixture. Aroma, it's smelling even better. Are you gonna repeat this process? Cookies, flan, cookies, flan, cookies, flan, until you've used up both the flan and the mold. So we place it and keep enjoying, let's go. As you can see, I'm using Maria type cookies. You can use your favorites, it's fine. Depending on the type of cookie, sometimes they might float. It's very common with Maria cookies. It's okay, don't worry. You dip them, add layers, dip them, add layers. In the end, they'll soak up the flan flavor, so you'll end up with a layer. Cookies, flan flavor, amazing. As you can see, I'm using Maria cookies and they're going to float, but I'm not too worried about it. If you also want them to soak a lot, just hold them down with a spoon a bit so they release bubbles, and that's it. Afterwards, once the mold has cooled down, put it in the fridge or refrigerator for at least 4 hours so it sets completely. If you want, you can prepare the dessert a day in advance and it will turn out just as great. And it's almost better that way because on the big day, you can enjoy yourself without being busy in the kitchen. Look how amazing it looks, ready to eat just like this. But if you want, flip it over and you've got a perfect flan. Look at this gorgeous flan, golden, beautiful, and topped with caramel, perfect. But the most important thing, as always, just like with people and desserts, is what's inside. And inside this cake is truly wonderful. So look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Beautiful flan cookies, all pure delight. Look how the spoon picks up little pieces, one after another. What a wonder, pure flavor. If you love flan and you love cookies, you have to try this. And while we're at it, tell me down below in the comments, what are your favorite cookies? I'm sure you have some ideas. Also, where are you watching from? Let's travel the world together and share delicious ideas. And before I go, here are the ingredients so you can take notes and it'll be even easier for you to make it at home. And if you want even more, YouTube says you're going to love the video about this little painting. Click and enjoy it later. Subscribe.